Hello everyone. I am going to give my presentation on climatic conditions of polar region. This topic is taken from NCERT Class 7 Science Chapter 7. Now we'll go to the introduction of weather and climate. Weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. Weather and climate determine the types of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, types of food we grow and eat, etc. All the living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic conditions of their natural habitat. Weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind speed, etc. are called the elements of the weather. The weather at a place changes every day. Sometimes it is more warm, more humid, more cloudy, or more windy. Sometimes it is less warm, less humid, less cloudy, or less windy. It may rain for an hour in the morning and then become sunny and clear right after that. Climate. Climate of a place is defined as the average weather condition at a particular place over a long period of time, about 25 years or more. Climate varies from place to place. If the temperature of a place is hot for most of the days, and if there is more rainfall, then we say that the climate of the place is hot and wet. For example, Kerala in India. If the temperature at a place is hot for most of the days, and if there is less rainfall, then we say that the climate of the place is hot and dry. Example, Rajasthan in India. Now we'll discuss about the polar region. The polar regions are very cold for most parts of the year, and these regions are covered with snow. The temperatures are as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. For 6 months, the sun does not rise, and for other 6 months, the sun does not set. Some of the animals found in the polar regions are polar bears, seals, penguins, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian crane, and many types of fishes, etc. Now we'll talk about polar bear. Polar bear is a carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely in the Arctic Circle. There are some fun facts of polar bears. Female polar bears would rather build their dens in old snow from the previous years rather than the freshly fallen snow. Polar bears tend to overheat than to get too cold. Polar bears are so strong that one blow from its paw can kill an animal. A polar bear's fur is not white, it is a hollow. The fur reflects light. The hollow fur also traps the sun's heat to help keep it warm. Adaptation of polar bear. They have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snow and helps in catching their prey. They have two layers of fur to protect them from extreme cold. They have a layer of fat under the skin which also protects them from cold. Their paws are white and large, which help them to walk on the snow and to swim in water. They have a strong sense of smell, which helps them to catch their prey. Now we will talk about penguins. Penguins are aquatic flightless birds, living almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. Adaptations of penguin. They have white colored body so that they are not easily visible in the snow. They have thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. They huddle together to keep them warm. They have a streamlined body and webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Heavy and solid bones make penguins heavier to help them to dive underwater for food. Now we'll talk about polar birds. The polar birds are Siberian crane and Arctic terrain. The seasonal movement of the complete population of animal from one area to another is termed as migration. The birds in the polar regions cannot tolerate extreme cold of winter, therefore they migrate. Adaptations of Siberian crane. The Siberian crane must keep its body warm to survive in winter. So during winter it migrates to far away warmer places. Cranes come to places in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in Siberia. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.